down here for toys for tots.
Oh, did you make that?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I wasn't able to. We were out of town.
You know what that's a bunch of meatballs.
Yeah, I noticed that our club is up to like 150 members or something. It was this time last year there was only like 120.
That was nice.
Yeah, it was good, Jim, and that was with no flaps.
Oh, thank you.
See how much smoother she is with that 25?
Yeah.
She's not going to be a speed aerobatic demon, but till you get your hang on her, I think I would fly it there myself.
That's 25%?
25%.
Okay.
I always tell people on a jet, put that down low because you only need just a really 3/16 movement and you'll be able to fly it good. Because you know you're not going to fly slow on these. You're coming towards us, you're rolling inverted, now you're back level. Yeah, you just need a little bit of movement on jets because you're going at least half throttle the whole flight. Coming back your way. You got it now?
Yeah, I'm going to lose some altitude, okay? How's that on?
Every time I say that, I lose a lot quick. Yeah, this flight's looking really good, Jim. Yeah, my rule of thumb is if I'm in a fast flying plane, I put them ailerons down low, low, low. If I'm in a slow flying plane like a Cub or something, then put them aileron rates up as high as they'll go. Because you need more, you know, control surface the slower you're going.
When you make a turn, you told me that add rudder.
It helps a lot.
Now what about...
Keeps your wing flatter, you know.
What about elevator?
If it's dialed in 100% perfect, you should be able to do a rudder, a little bit of aileron, a little bit of rudder, and it should stay flat without any elevator. If it's not balanced out perfectly, you're going to have to give it some elevator or it's going to drop the tail.
Yeah, I've always turned with the elevator and the aileron.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then I started using the rudder, like you told me.
Uh-huh.
And so now I'm using all three.
Yeah, no, that's good.
And it seemed to work good for me, but I was curious.
Yeah, no, like I said, it's all plane dependent of what I've seen anyway, at least in my experience. Some of them, you got to put it in because she'll drop that tail down. Looks like she's, you know, flying high alpha if you don't.
Well,
very rare for them to gain altitude in a turn unless you've rocked the wing way, way, way over. Then they'll climb until they lose lift, and then they'll twirl in.
For the elevator and aileron, I still have a little bit of
yeah.
until I added the rudder.
Well, it's more fun to fly it like that.
And then it brings it right up. You know, brings it nice and level.
Yeah. Using the rudder gives you more of a scale appearance on a plane, but flying these RCs, man, if you're just doing the old bank and yank, that's a hell of a lot more fun. You know, it's more exciting. Hey, we come in this morning. Huh? Not yet, they're not.
No.
Now they are.
Looked like it was when I saw it.
Yeah, they're down now.
What did you say about landing this thing?
I get lined up with the runway and then, yeah. Go around. I'll line up with the runway and then bring it down to 0 and let it dead stick in. Once it hits 0 throttle, I'll come back up 1 or 2 clicks. You want flaps on? That might help slow you down some.
Okay.
You want them on?
Yeah, I guess.
All right, I'll wait till you get out of the turn. All right, there's low, there's high flaps. She slows down really good.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn them off. You're coming down a little hinky. All right, they're still on right now. You want them on or off? Okay, all right. Coming in with flaps, you'll have to, that 1 or 2 ticks of throttle may turn into 2 to 3 ticks of throttle though. You're in the rough. There you go. Perfect, Jimmy.
Hey,
Good job.
man.
Good job. You're gonna look like you peed your pants there, sitting in that.
Sit on the edge.
Sit on that chair.
Here, you bring it in. I'm too nervous.
That was sweet,
You didn't have your camera on that, did you?
I don't remember if I did or not. Which one's your throttle? Oh, there it is. That was a good flight, Jim. Be like in school. You reach down, every time you reach down to pick it up, I'm going to go. Huh?
The landing class will start tomorrow.
Well, that was a beautiful landing.
What's the pucker rating on that one, Jim?
Oh, I got no idea.
That was your first, that's just your first jet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last time I landed one, I flown a couple of them crashed.
Oh, you have flown jets before?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't.
I crashed one out here. I still got it.
I don't remember that.
It's that Cougar.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot all about that one.